Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. So we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is the slow motion. We can also pick super slow motion, so you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me pick the standard one to show you how it works. And just one tap to get access to it. Now we can start recording this by simply tapping on the big button at the center of the shutter. So let me start to show you how it looks like. And now let's start by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.